So only about 25% of you are subscribed, so if you could hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you. Here's me and Josh with the 41 Nash gas tank. What we've done is we've put a 2-part epoxy sealer in there and swirled that all around. Got everything coated nice, and now we're just draining it. Quick, simple. Took maybe 15 minutes, but now we have a sealed gas tank. Hey.
Alright, so we are back on the Nash Ambassador. A while back I had repaired the rear fenders of corrosion, dents, all the usual suspects. So now I am getting back on them to start fitting them up to the car to make sure all of that is good. And I am kind of getting all of our pieces together and in good condition, working order before I go throwing stuff on the car. And I got to our rear fender braces. We have one good one. The rest, where the braces meet up or mount up to the car, the threads are either corroded in spots, gone in spots, or in this one's case, they're bent. That wouldn't be a big deal, but on this one, our tang flange tab where it mounts up to the fender itself has been worn away, and there's very little material that would be holding, you know, the bolt to the brace. So I'll make up a new one of those. We have about the right size round stock. I'll just have to bend it, cut and tap the threads, and kind of forge our little tab portion. And when we get to that, we'll walk you through it and get all of it getting on the car and hopefully being happy. Doo-doo. Ta-da! Voila! Ba-da-boo! Skip-a-da!
Yeah.
So I'm just marking the center point of the first radius that I'm going to bend into our new fender brace. I just use a little tiny Dremel tool, type tool, or rotary carbide burr tool. It makes a nice little mark in the metal. Doesn't take much material away, but it lasts under heat better than Sharpie. Well, Sharpie doesn't last under heat, and it's just a little easier to keep, fined when it's all bright red and marked up than a scribe line. So